This Liverpool team, it is now overworking, because tell me, 6 out of 6 matches that they've played on the Champions League, and they've won all of them. Today they were playing against Girona. They scored. Yes, it was a penalty. Salah scored there. But as much as it was a penalty, look, they've won the game. And I'm here asking myself, how can a team be this perfect? Please, Liverpool, sometimes even lose, even if it's one game, so that we can talk about it and try and say, you know, now it is the downfall for you guys. I mean, you can't be winning all of your games. Make us up, you also, as your competitors. We need to laugh, come there, laugh for you, laugh at you because of losing a game here, and like you did that draw. Because tell me, at number 1 on the Champions League, at number 1 on the EPL, hi, this Liverpool, hi. Anyway, congratulations to Liverpool for winning that game. I think they have now automatically qualified on that top 8 on the Champions League.